Hello friends, today in this video we will learn how we can install and configure FTP file transfer protocol server, and also we'll learn how we can provide only specific user with special permission to access the FTP server. So first we need to know why implement FTP server in our organization and how useful for any network, yeah, any company. Basically, we are using FTP server for upload and download the data. So let's start and learn how we can do that. Click a role and feature, click next, click next, click next. So click here web server, because FTP server including in web server, web IS server. So add feature and click next, uh, and select the FTP service, FTP server also. Click next, click install. Okay, FTP server has been installed on this server, so I'm going to close. Okay, open your IS Internet Information Service. Click here and open IS Internet Information Service IS Manager. So now expand here your server. Now you can see here, this is a site name. This is the all default site name. Before going to configure and create FTP server, I'm going to create a new user where which one you want to allow access to connect the FTP server. So I'm going to create a new user. This is my Active Directory. Here is my Active Directory. So first of all, that is the best way. First of all, you have to create a group. Okay. So now I'm going to create a group. It's a FTP users. Okay, that's fine. And now I'm going to create a user, new user, FTP1, FTP, FTP1. Okay, must password set here. Okay, going to new and create new user, FTP2, 2. Okay, now click on FTP use, FTP group. Here's FTP group. Click on here and add the all user which one want to allow FTP server. So I'm going to select FTP1 and FTP2. Sorry, FTP2. Okay, add both. You have to add all user which one want to allow to access the FTP server. Okay, click on here. Okay, so now I'm going to create a FTP data. So click on here and add a FTP data. right click on here and properties, going to security and click advanced and disable inheritance and convert inheritance inherited permission into its explicit permission. Now delete all user, click here. Okay, now click on change, click add and select the principal and select the FTP check name, FTP user. This is the FTP groups name is FTP users. So click on OK and select here read execute list folder content read only and click on show advanced permission and read permission only. That's it. And create folder and append the data. So I'm selecting here only travel folder, execute file, list folder, read attribute, read appended attribute, create folder, appended data only, and read the permission. And select here applies to only this folder only, right? Click OK, apply, OK, and then click OK. That's fine. Open Internet Information Service with the help of INET MGR. This is a short form of Open Internet Information Service. Expand the server. Right click on site and add FTP site. FTP site name is whatever you want. Click on here and select the physical path. My physical path is E drive FTP data. Okay, click on next and select the server IP. No SSL. If you have the SSL, you can select SSL certificate. Click next and select the basic and click on here specific role or user group. So I have created the users. Oh, sorry, I have created the group name is FTP users. Okay, so FTP users read and write. Click on finish. Okay, now you can check here. I'm going to client machine and check whether my FTP server is working or not. This is my client machine, so let's open. Type here the FTP colon double slash FTP, sorry, 192.168.200.10. Type here the server FTP server IP. Click on here. Type here the username. Username is FTP1. Password is. Now you can check here. It's working. So there is no any file here. So now I'm going to create new file here. It's for testing purpose. So text file, click on here, FTP site. Okay, now going to client machine and refresh here. Now you can check test file is here. Click on here and now you can see my FTP server is working. Now I'm going to Now create here a folder. It's ftp1 folder. Okay, now I'm going to log in with other user and check whether it's working or not. So let's open other ftp colon double slash ftp2 and password is okay. So if you ftp2 user can create a folder, but if ftp2 user want to delete ftp1 folder, so he can't do that, and error occur delete the folder, right? But ftp2 folder but ftp2 user want to delete the own created folder, so he can delete and delete it. That's fine. I hope you understand how we can install and configure ftp server in our premises and allow particular user to access this server. If you like this video and you have learned something from this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. Also share this video to your friends so that he can take advantage. So thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.